This beautiful pendulum is one of the Valkyrie series pendulums. It is representative of the Pegasus wing by Swarovski. The Valkyrie women rode the Pegasus horses into battle, so this pendulum is representative of the Valkyrie Pegasus horses. The pendulum is on a 7 chakra chain that is removable with this 14 karat gold lobster clasp. The pendulum chain is attached with 14 karat gold jump rings, and the dangler consists of amethyst stones, crystal rondelets, pearls by Swarovski, and sterling silver beads as well. You can find this pendulum on the pendulumpixie.com website.